Hey guys, I just got back from Walmart and I picked up the Simpsons 20th season. As you can tell, I've already opened it and I couldn't figure out how to close this box. As you can see, it's like funky, weird box. But I'll just show y'all what you get. This is the Walmart special edition that comes with a 365-day box calendar for free, so I thought that was pretty cool. Alright, here's the DVD itself. We'll get to that in a second. Let's take a look at this box calendar. Alright, it has this box. Open the box, and here is your calendar. You can put this on the wall. Joke a day. I don't know if these are funny, but hopefully they're funny. Here's the DVD. I hope this is working out because I just have my camera sitting on a deodorant thing. I hope y'all can see this good. So here's the front. The side, it actually shows the original artwork from way in the beginning when they were just in the pre-designs. Slide this off, and here it is with all the Simpsons characters. That's a lot. I'm sure it's not all of them. Yeah, it's not all of them, but it's a lot of them. Radioactive Man. Awesome. I don't even know some of these. Slide this out of here. It's the accordion style. Some people hate this packaging, but I think it's pretty cool because it's fully recyclable and it looks like the new CD cases or whatever. So it's like this, and the DVDs are in these. They made it a little different from the 11th and 12th by making it easier to get them out. I don't know if y'all can see that, but here's all the main Simpsons characters, and all the discs are right here. 20th season. So that's all, guys. Just an unboxing. Check out my channel for more tech videos and movie videos, and I'll have more videos coming soon. So comment, rate, subscribe, and peace out, guys.